Hello everybody, I want to show you this video 2 hidden secret codes at the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So for that we need the dialer here. So let us start with the first code, the project menu. So it's this star hash 2846579 hash star. So now we're in the project menu and you are able to set up the background settings, the USB port settings and so on. And then you have here the VINIA informations like the version info and so on. And yeah, this is normal that it takes a bit time, so a lot of informations, and much more, the manufacturer infos and so on and so on. And then you have also the network information, VPN info and so on and so on. You can make a software upgrade, or you can restore the factory, so it means I can make a factory reset from here also. And you can check up also the battery charge, and the battery level with 63 is perfect, has to be between 60 and 75 as it is written here, and also the battery temperature is good. It has to be below 70 degrees to have no troubles. Okay, so let's go back to the dialer. Okay, let us go now to the second secret code about phone. So the star hash 0000 hash star. So now we are in the about phone point, and you see some stuff here like the email number, the ICC ID normally, so it's a SIM card number, and much more. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos, so thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.